Hi, my name is Victor Talavera. I'm the inventor of the Splitiner Pro. Today I want to talk to you about maintenance and troubleshooting your Splitiner Pro. It is important that as you are treating your customer's hair, you are continuously cleaning the blade chamber. The blade chamber is quite small and you will see little bits of hair accumulating in the bottom. So you must be cleaning the chamber as you go. Take a second, clean the unit, continue with your client. When you see that more hairs are getting accumulated in the bottom, just stop for a second again, simply clean it and continue. Usually I clean the blade chamber between 10 to 15 times throughout the customer treatment depending on the customer's hair length. Another reason you must keep the front housing always clean is to avoid hairs to entering the gear compartment. Allow me to show you how to detach the front housing from the motor housing. First, you remove the clear window. Leaving the pressing handle open, grab it from the motor housing and the front housing. Don't grab it by the battery because the battery can come out. Simply grab it by the motor housing, open one side and pull. It's as simple as that. Don't worry, be confident, the unit is not going to break. You will find the gears compartment on the blade section and also on the motor section. Another thing that you're going to find is the two metal contacts from the activating switch. Let me explain to you this. If you don't clean the front housing regularly, you will find hairs entering the gear compartment. If hairs enter the gear compartment, what can happen is the gears will get clotted with hair and out of the sudden the gears can skip and the teeth get damaged. You want to avoid that. Another reason is the two metal contacts from the activating switch. Allow me to explain to you. Imagine the two metal contacts trying to make contact and a little bit of hair gets in between. Now the two metal contacts cannot touch each other, so therefore the motor will not turn on. And it may look like the unit will not work, but in fact it just needs cleaning. That's all. Basically, you take the cleaning brush provided with the unit and just simply remove all the hairs that you find in between the gears, as well from the blade housing section, also from the motor housing section. You will find hairs in between on the corners. Make sure that everything is out, including the two metal contacts from the activating switch. Just make sure you stick the cleaning brush right in between and with the air pressure bottle, spray it so all the hairs pops out and the unit is clean. Immediately you do that, simply put it back together, install the clear window and test it. Make sure the unit runs. If by any chance with the clear window on, if the unit will not turn on, that metal contact's still dirty. So go back, blow it again, clean it and try it again. Now I'm going to show you how to remove and install the battery handle. The battery handle has a little arrow including the motor housing and a lock position. You twist the handle and you pull. When you want to install it, simply point the two arrows together, insert it, twist it to the right to the lock position, and now the handle is steady and the unit is secure, ready to go. On a full charge battery, you can trim 3 to 4 customers' hair. If by any chance in the middle of a job your battery run off, just simply connect the plug into the unit and finish your job. The unit will work as if it was the battery full charge. When you receive the unit, make sure that you run the unit until the battery is fully dead. Later, you connect the power supply into the battery and leave it plugged in for 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. To avoid battery damage, make sure you don't leave the power adapter plugged in for more than 4 hours. To disinfect the unit, you can use Marvicide. You spray it and leave it for 10 minutes and the unit will be ready for the next client. You can also use Cool Care and spray the unit. It lubricates the blade, but make sure you clean all the excess lubricant to avoid hairs to getting clogged in the unit. I'm going to show you how to put all your kit together in the pouch. Simply, what I would recommend is unlock the battery handle, close the unit, lock it here, hold it tight so the battery doesn't come out. But you want to unlock it so the unit doesn't activate accidentally and turn on. Put it in one section of the pouch, and in the other section, you're going to put the power supply. Of course, with the cable in the front and the power supply to the back so the pouch can close. That's one step. Next, you will have the comb. The comb goes upside down like this, as well as you're gonna have the cleaning brush, then goes the cleaning brush, then you're gonna have the clippers. The hair clippers go sideways so the unit can be closed when you roll it and snap it. And then you have the 1/8" trim setting, and that one goes in here. Also, you will have the manual, and the manual you will put it in this small little compartment. Simply put it in there, zip it back, and you're ready to go. Now you zip the pouch, the unit closed perfectly, you roll it, and you snap it, and you are ready to go anywhere your job takes you.